welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? In today's video, we're gonna be doing some saving challenges. Yay! I had recorded my savings challenge for last week, but I had some technical difficulties, so yeah. But here we are today. So we're gonna start with our coins, and today we have 1, 2, 3, 325, 365, 370 in coins. So yeah. So I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're interested in this coin organizer, as I always say in my savings challenge videos, I have a link below in my Amazon storefront, or you can pick it up at Walmart. I've seen them at Walmart also. So yeah. So we're gonna put our coins away. And so those are our coins for this week, $3.70. So next we have my $1 savings challenge. And this clear box is also linked below in my description box. Okay, this week for our $1 saving challenge, let me fix my camera here. We were able to save $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $13. Yay! I can't wait to count this at the end of the year. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the crispy ones in the front. Oh, I done messed my dollars up. Let's see if we can get them in here without. Trying to have it while all of them are standing up. There we go. So let's try this. Let's do it this way. I'm gonna start doing it this way so they'll all be standing up. So yes, that's my $1 challenge. So the third savings challenge we're gonna do is the zero out challenge, where I zero out my bank account. And this week I transferred the last 4 digits of my bank account to my zero out challenge sinking fund. And that was $17.84. So yeah. So next we're gonna do, what's that? One coin challenge, $1 challenge, zero out challenge. And now we gotta do our investing challenge with Mommy Trader. So I'm gonna go ahead and color all the way to the end of the month. And this money is already gonna be invested automatically in my M1 Finance. So we're gonna go ahead and color this. Now fast forward this part. So we have that. We're finished for October. Yay! Got our investment challenge done. So the last thing we're gonna do is our 20K challenge. So I am saving up 20K in addition to paying off my mortgage. I wanted to challenge myself, see if I could do it. Kind of push myself to be creative on different ways to come up with income. So yeah. So this week we're going to put $200. Let me get my marker. I'll be back. I'm back. So yeah, I'll put on the screen what I plan on doing with this money. You know, as of right now, those are my plans. But you know, as life would have it, you know, anything can change. But those are my plans that I have for this 20K. So we're gonna do $200. So I'm not gonna do the actual 200. I'm gonna go ahead and do the 104.96. That still comes to 200. So yeah. So we just slowly chipping away at this. We got almost $1,400. Oh, I forgot another thing that I'll be doing with this 20K challenge. Hold on, I'll be back. So I'm going to also use this tracker to keep up with my 20K, just to motivate me because I'm very visual. I use this same jar tracker for my 10K and 100 days. So yeah, I picked this up from Monet's Money. So check her out if you're interested in this tracker. So $20,000. I'm not going to put a time limit on it. I'm just going to take my time. So I think, so this how I come up with the percentage. I know you're supposed to multiply. I forgot the formula that I learned in school. So this is what I did to figure out how much I got. So I did 20,000 minus, I think I got like 14. When I add this 200, it'll be like 1,400. What did I do? This is how I did it. So in order to get the percentage, I think I was like in between 4 and 6% because I know 10% would be 2,000. So I did like this. I did 20,000 times 0.06. That's 1,200. So yeah. So if it's 1,400, because 8%, let me see what 8% is. 20,000. Y'all tell me in the comment section an easier way to do this. I forgot the formula, to be honest. 20,000 times, well, I guess it don't matter as long as I come up with the percentage. 0.8% would be 1,600. So I'm in between 6 and 8%. So we're gonna go ahead and color to this line right here. Yeah. So this motivates me to have all these trackers. So yeah, let me see. I'm gonna do pink. So I always laminate mine. So we're going to go right here to the... No, that ain't dark enough. I need a dark one since it's laminated. I guess I have this... I'm going to go with the red. Let me see if this red will show up. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to color from here on down. So yeah, we making progress. Yay! Why am I coloring outside the jar, people? So we at about 7%. Let me go. Ooh, and it's permanent mark. I think I messed it up. Let's see if it'll let me take it off with some alcohol. I'll be back. Okay, it came off. So we got about 7% done of the 20K challenge. So yeah, so that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.